How's it, everybody? My name is Bronson. This is my drummer Isaac, my lead singer Nohea. We are Simple Complexity, myself as a bassist. Right now we're missing our guitar player, Mr. Bryson Couture, and our pianist, Mr. Corey Watson, but we want to show you guys a little something about what we got. This song right here is an original we wrote, and I hope you like it. Simple Complexity. Started off as friends, thought that's all we'd ever be. I could never picture myself as she, till she told me one day how she really felt. So I had to stop and guess myself. But I said I'd give it a try, but I said I'd give it a go. And maybe, baby, we could take it nice and slow. And as soon as I started to feel my love for you, you walked away and left me a fool. I don't know why you leave the lies, and I'm so hypnotized, believing every word that you say. I don't know why you took my heart and then you tore it apart. And baby, you're just walking away. I don't know why I believed the lies, and I was hypnotized, believing every word that you say. I don't know why I gave you my heart and you just tore it apart. And baby, you're just walking away, walking away. You're walking away. Why are we on Huh? Again, everybody, Simple Complexity. Look out for us out there. Gotcha.